Okay, so the next step in using WordPress is adding or editing pages. So we can write new pages or we can edit existing pages. Well, since this is a brand new site, we don't have any existing pages. So go over to Pages, click on All Pages. Actually, there might be one page here. It's a sample page. We'll get rid of that one. And then we'll add a new page and give it a good title like about me, and then say something about yourself. Hi. So we type this in. Hi, I'm your name here, and I am a full-time stay-at-home dad who knows a lot about WordPress. So there are only a couple things you need to do. Now this one is theme specific, so I could change my layout for this page because my theme allows that, but most themes don't allow that. I can also add in a title with my all-in-one SEO pack plugin and a description, keywords, attributes and labels and stuff like that. For now we'll just create the page and then we'll go back and edit the page. You can also choose from different types of templates. 99 times out of 100 you're going to choose default. And then you click Publish. And I want to draw a distinction here between pages and posts because this is important. Think of pages as content that rarely changes, whereas posts are content that changes quite frequently. Meaning, if current events, if you're typing about a current event, something's going to happen tomorrow, something happened yesterday, that's probably best as a blog post or as a post. Whereas your About Me page, earnings disclaimers, terms of service, contact page, all of those kind of things should be pages because they don't change very often. Yes, you might change your email address, but that content is not going to change, and it's not really topical. It's evergreen. It lasts forever. So that's all there is to adding a page. Let's go to All Pages and look at the view. There should only be one page there. Now let's go edit that. And we can actually put my name here and then update. Now, all of these icons do exactly the same things that they do in a post. Pages and posts really aren't any different where WordPress is concerned, except in menu functionality. And that is, pages can get added to menus, whereas posts don't get added to menus. And we'll talk about that in a little bit. But for example, if you wanted to make this bold, you could easily do that by clicking this. If you wanted to create an H1 tag, you can just do this. If you wanted to, paste in some text, you could do that. I didn't do that, but you could. And then just click Update when you're done. Okay? That's really all there is to pages. Okay, moving on.